Hi everyone, my name's Harley and welcome to TransByDef on Saturdays. This week's topic is your day-by-day things, activities really, what you do day by day. So what do I do? Let's see. During the week I work, usually Monday through Friday I work, and I'm a programmer, software engineer. I pretty much, in a sense, create algorithms. So an algorithm is like a step-by-step logical solution, and solving problems. So, I do a lot of strategic thinking, and it's a lot of brainstorming, and it can be really a lot on the mind. Let's just say that. So when I come home, I want to relax. I used to play video games, but I found it still being stressful because thinking in that abstract and then going playing video games, I feel like I'm still thinking the same way, and it just really, it's not. I don't find it relaxing when I'm doing those things. I find sometimes when I relax, if I want to crash, I'll just sit down and watch TV or Netflix, because I don't really have to do anything. I could just relax. I don't even have to pay attention to the TV or anything. I'll just relax, and that's kind of what I do. But, sometimes I'll either do that or I'll go out with some friends and hang out, do something. Or I will jump on my music and, do guitar, do something. And, I find music a little bit in between of math and creativity. And, you'd be surprised how much math is in music. There's a lot. Believe me, there is a lot. So I find that a little bit more balancing out for the end of the day, for work days. So that's what I'll do. And pretty much I get the weekends for free. I mean, I get the weekends off. I can't believe I said that. But I get the weekends off, and I pretty much live for the weekend. I, do whatever I gotta do at work, and then when I get for the weekend, I'll, have fun. I'll go out with some friends, have a few beers maybe, go out to a club, go dancing, go to a movie, go shopping, just do it. Just do a lot of things. Sometimes I'll just crash. Like today, I just crashed and did shit. Nothing. And so, but that was because last night, I actually went to the club and danced, and it was fun. It was fun. So, that's kind of what I do for the weekends and the weekdays. What I usually try to do is not to make every day exactly the same. So even work weeks. So, like, we have a little flexibility on our time, like very little flexibility on our time shifts, but so now I come in a little bit earlier and leave a little bit earlier, and I actually found that a lot better because I get more of a day, but the problem is I get tired quick. But I found there's more of a day to it, and it's kind of enjoyable. Some other things I might do is take a different route to work, or go somewhere different for lunch. I try to keep things a little bit different, so it doesn't seem like every day is exactly the same thing, and you can get really bored about those things and kind of hate your life after a while. So, just as long as you try to do slightly different things, it's good. So other than that, let me just expand it more. I go for electrolysis every 3 weeks, so, I get the leftover hairs that the laser didn't do, so it's definitely annoying, because I don't like electrolysis. It's not too painful, it's just annoying. The needle, the plucking, ooh, ow. The needle, the plucking, and it's kind of irritating. But another thing I do is I do fractional skin resurfacing. I had bad acne when I was growing up, so I ended up getting scars from it, and it wasn't my fault. It's just my genetics, and so I've been doing the fractional skin resurfacing, which is the non-ablative one, and it's been helping a lot. It actually has been helping. It's what's really interesting, and this might be like another trans thing but I noticed when I noticed my cheeks actually got more collagen build into it, which is awesome, and I think it's because now the lady said, because I was doing the laser hair removal pretty much at the same time I was doing the fractional skin resurfacing, and one of the ladies, she was like, you're gonna get a better effect because you're not only doing the laser skin resurfacing, which builds collagen from the outside, you're also doing it from the top layer, which with the laser. And I was like, that's pretty interesting. And I noticed, like, I mean, it could just be the hormones, but I think it's just a combination of everything. So it's really cool. I did 4 sessions last year, and I'm doing like 5 this year, and it's an expensive thing, but it's worth it. She actually turned up the power for me on this skin resurfacing, so I swear, like, the next day I was brick red. I was just brick red. I had to put 3 layers of makeup on, and that was just, oh my god. I mean, seriously, it was, and the worst thing about it is it dries your skin out for a few days, so you really have to moisturize, and I start breaking out if I don't constantly moisturize, and so I try my best, and it gets better. It kind of works, and I like it, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, so that's pretty much what I do. I've been looking at my computer monitor a lot. This time I should have been looking at the camera more. Sorry. So anyways, I will see you next week, and you all have a terrific week.